Hi, I'm April with WTI.
Are you looking for a travel blanket that can do it all? I found the perfect blend of comfort and versatility in this Travelrest 4-in-1 travel blanket. Sometimes I need a little lumbar support, other times I need a pillow, but most often I need a blanket to keep me warm. This blanket can transform into what I need when I need it for the maximum comfort I need. I love how soft this blanket is, and it's so very comfortable. The fabric is of great quality, and yet it's lightweight, which makes it perfect for traveling. I really enjoy that it has an opening in the material here. This allows me to wear the blanket and have it move around with me, and yet my hands can be free to move about, and I'm still going to be covered in this soft warmth. I appreciate the zipper pocket that not only helps to transform it into a pillow, but it can also be used as a little storage pocket to keep my things safe. If you're looking to be comfortable when you're out and about, I would recommend looking into Travelrest for your comfort needs.
And that's my point of view.